Welcome to my How to School YouTube channel, and in this video let us see how we can change your account name in the Windows 10 operating system. Your account name appears in the start menu. As you guys can see, when I hover on this icon, it says my account name, that is Anil Shetty, and also it appears in the login screen. Now if you want to change your account name, then all you have to do is you have to click on the start button and you need to search for control panel, open it up, and here click on user accounts. Now here again click on user accounts, and now it will display your user account, and here you have the option to change your account name. So click on that and you need to provide a new name for your account. I'm gonna say Anil, and after that click on change name, and that's it, your account name has been changed. So this is it guys for this video. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials like this, do subscribe to the channel. If you think this video is helpful, then share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching.